So next up, guys, got a nice looking older combine here. So this is a John Deere 6620 Titan 2. I'm here with Dan, the consignor. He's going to start running it through some of the paces and just show you, kind of give you a nice demo, I guess. This is a side hill machine, guys. You're running the auger there. Pivots out. Watch this machine tilt side to side there. He's got a little over 4,000 separator hours. I'll make sure I have all the hours proper with the listing. Tilts back and forth. It did need a jump start to go ahead and run. He didn't want me to point that out, but for the most part, guys, everything on it is in real good shape. Really good running machine. Straw walkers are in really good shape. Grain tank's in good shape as well. Kind of showing you a run there, revved it up for you. Yeah, you get that thing out in the sun, guys. It's a nice looking machine. I'll take it forward in reverse here in a second for you. Take it forward in reverse. Just show you a drive, but obviously all that works good. So there's just kind of the quick demo, guys. I'll show you turning, show you the rear tire pivoting. I'll make sure I have all the pictures of the interior, make sure I've got all the separator hours and all those things correct. But good combine, guys. It should be ready to go to work this fall. So good luck with auction time and Old 20 auctions.